Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that's hotter than a habanero pepper on a summer day: global warming. But forget the boring charts and graphs. We're going to unleash the truth in a way that'll make your jaw drop. The Arctic is losing ice faster than a snow cone on the 4th of July. At this rate, polar bears might be trading their fur coats for swimsuits in just a few decades. It's also causing extreme weather events to go rogue. We're talking heat waves hotter than your grandma's chili and floods that could turn your street into a river's. Most of the global warming we're experiencing is happening because of human activities in the last 100 years. That's right. Our choices are literally changing the planet's temperature. We can slow down and even reverse the effects of global warming. It's gonna take collective action from individuals to governments. But together we can make a difference. So, what can you do? Educate yourself, reduce your carbon footprint, and demand change from the people in power. Let's make Earth cool again. Thanks for joining us on this journey through global warming. Remember, knowledge is power, and the power to change the world is in your hands. Keep it green.